Happy Sunday, everyone. So once again, this is your funny, groovy, chubby granny. So these are the comments on my YouTube yesterday. So we have Dalia's Fan Life. Love your outfit. Thank you. Hi, I love your videos. Keep it up. Thank you, Dalia's Fan Life. Then we have at 67 underscore Milo underscore row underscore 67. I wasn't there. So I mentioned your name now. At 67 Milo row 67, and then also say Mon C, a new subscriber. She said I wasn't there too, so hi to both of you. Then we have Pink Flop, your unicorns dance queen. You're so pretty. Oh my God, Slay, thank you so much for saying I am so pretty. Thank you so much for appreciating me. We are all beautiful in the eyes of God, okay? Remember that. We have Andres Lustre, your dances are nice. Keep it up. The hip movement cooks, nice dance. Thank you for that, for appreciating. We have Shadow underscore Spirit. Thank you, and I love your dance. Thank you so much. My heart, Nutella, ate. Kumusta kayo dyan? And then we have Mrs. K, that's so good. Thank you so much. We have Odyssey, Slay Granny, thank you. We have Yolani YouTube. I have one daughter and two sons. She's asking me if you have a daughter. I have one daughter and two sons. Thank you so much. Easily. Love you. Mwah, love you too. Then we have Kumral, a new subscriber. Wow, Granny, thank you. Enlightened me. Thank you so much for always commenting and liking my video. And then we have saying that your local newbies stay happy even others are putting me down. It's okay, that's no problem, that's part of life. You cannot please everybody. And then we have thanks Granny for the blank fic version. I don't know your local newbie, what is that? I just keep on using the sound, and that's it. And then we have Raven, thank you for always commenting and saying that love you, Granny. Thank you so much. Pretty Granny's laid. Bro, don't be rude for saying to them, bro, don't be rude. And then I love also IB's real for you. Hello, hello. We have R3VV underscore off B45K3T5. Hey, Queen. Hi. Isley, you did a better one. Thank you for saying that I did a better one. Get it, Grandma? Show Grandpa what you got. No, I'm just here just to, make myself happy too. And thank you also for always commenting. Melanie Estrada, you got. And then we have Milo, I saying hi. And then we have a new subscriber, Blogs by Brie. Yes, Grandma. And also I underscore love